How to video call in Zangi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can video call other friends or people. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this friends icon. Tap on it. Now on the top, you can see this search icon. Here, search for the friend that you want to video call. Here I'm selecting one. Make sure that you want to call him or her. So here on the bottom, you can see this Zangi number. First of all, the contact must enter the Zangi number. So the person whom you want to call should give the Zangi number to you, and here this is the place where you want to save it. So unless you save it, you cannot directly call them. Here on the top, you can see this video icon. Tap on it, and here it again shows enter the Zangi number. So first try entering Zangi number and you can directly call and chat with them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you.